Today we're gonna try to make Middle Eastern chicken kabobs. First, we're gonna cut it up and debone, right?
Yes.
Debone the chicken. Get back to you. Oh, I'm gonna get back to you guys when this is done. But before that, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, turn on post notifications so you guys know when we upload, and share. Get back to you guys when she's done cutting it. When she's done cutting all the chicken. So this is the first one that's deboned. See, we didn't film it because it was
like, it's really hard. Yeah. I'll try the second one.
And we're just trying to find an easier way to show you. So
but you want to make sure that you get off all the fat off of this chicken thigh.
I'm personally a thigh fan. Comment down below what your favorite piece of chicken is. I'm more of a thigh person. Mom, what kind of piece of chicken do you eat?
I like thighs, but I would like them like this, to be deboned and cleaned. If not, give me a leg. Or a chicken wing.
Flats. Love the flats.
That's off the wingdings.
So what do you do after you get all the fat off?
You gotta season it, but I gotta...
Debone. How do you debone a leg? What?
That's what I'm gonna learn how to do today. Is how to debone a leg.
It looks pretty nasty, probably, because it's raw.
But you want to make sure you get as much of the fat off.
These are going to be good because it's not breasts, right? I'm not a big breast person.
Much of the fat as you can.
Now, I'm going to get back to you guys when she starts the second one. Now for the second one. Taking all the skin of that off.
This is the skin.
Skin. You don't want the skin in it?
Very hard. But I just stick my finger as closest to that back piece as I can. And pull it. I usually get this piece off. There it comes.
There it comes. Yeah.
You're not looking at it. I don't know if you can see my hand. Lift it up. I don't want all this chicken splats on my phone.
Sorry for the barking in the background.
I guess you gotta use your knife. Ugh.
Might not show this. Because it's taking a while. So I think I'm just going to get back to you guys when she's done deboning all the chicken. Because
this is a job.
Yeah, so get back to you guys when she's done.